Welcome to the campaign details page. There's a lot of analytics here, so let's get started. Starting from the top, you can see our campaign name as well as the current status. You can click here to edit a campaign where you can change the name and also edit the start date if your campaign has not already begun. You can see since this one is already in progress, I cannot make a date change or cancel it. We wanted to show you some really actionable information about your campaigns. Right off the top, you can see how many leads you've generated in this campaign. You can see there's one new one in the last day. How many total calls? This is 54,430 calls. Almost 4,000 of those just in the last day. And how many conversations have been had. And finally, we have voicemail. So we've got 45,112 calls that have been forwarded to voicemail. It's important to note we currently do not leave voicemail messages. So this number just reflects how many calls have been forwarded to voicemail. Next, we have our call tracker graph, and you can see in real time the interaction our AI is having. So for example, on this attempt, you can see we had close to 20,000 calls. And on the right, you can see the real-time activity of our AI. Two additional notes for this section is that right here, you can actually filter by an attempt. So you can see just these statistics per attempt that was made just by selecting here and clicking apply. And if you wanted to add an additional attempt beyond the 3 that are included on this campaign, you can click the add another attempt button here at the top right, and you'll be able to add additional calling attempts, which could produce more leads from your data. And finally, you have an overview of all the leads that were generated from this campaign. You can search those here, and you can also export this entire list of leads as a CSV, or you can click this button to go to our lead manager page where you can interact with these leads and use our CRM. So that's going to do it for campaign details. If you have any questions or you need to reach us, you can always click this icon at the bottom right hand of the screen to reach our support. And if you want to watch this video again or find it at any time, you can click this icon at the top of the page.